Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must start with clean ranges. Once your headers and columns are contiguous, name them or convert to a table. First actionable step, decide which column will supply the row index and which column returns the value. Then, select the return array for index. Make sure to confirm whether you need approximate or exact matches. This controls whether you combine index with match or with XLOOKUP in newer Excel. Once done, position your target cell and prepare the match or row number source. Now you assemble the formula. You will typically write equals index, return range, match, lookup value, lookup array, 0. This gives you a reliable exact match lookup. If your target sits in a 2D table, include a second match for the column position. Use absolute references or named ranges so copying works without breaking the ranges. If you expect duplicates, decide whether first occurrence suffices. Otherwise, add filter or aggregate to handle multiple results. Finish by copying formulas and validating outputs across samples. You should test edge cases like missing rows and duplicate keys. If you get #n/a, first confirm data types, numbers versus text, and remove stray spaces with trim. If results are wrong, step through match separately to see the returned index. For large datasets, once done, consider helper columns or index with a binary search approach to improve speed. Make sure to recalculate and save a backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.